So here we are with the forever collar for the SIUI Probe. I just want to show you how to make sure that you get the coupling right. This is a SIUI TR510, so 10 millimeter diameter, 5 megahertz twin crystal probe. It does have a collar normally with a membrane wear plate, which is very sticky. And we have created this collar. In order to use it, basically, I would recommend using UT gel or oil. I prefer oil in this case. I'll use some UT gel because it's just cleaner. Put a dab of UT gel on there. The front of the probe is clear, the front of the wear plate is clear, and then basically just screw that in here, and you can see how you can see in the clear that we now have complete coverage on the front of the plate.